If you have been importing products from China using Taobao Chinese shopping app for a very long time, but you do not know how to find any store or any manufacturer on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app that offer free shipping for any product you purchase from their store, consider to stay tuned to this video and see how to find free shipping products on Taobao Chinese shopping app. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business using Taobao, Pinduoduo, Idlefish, or any Chinese e-commerce apps and website, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks on how to import from China using Taobao Chinese shopping app. So with that being said, let me show you how. Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Taobao Chinese shopping app. And in this video, I will show you on how to find free shipping product on Taobao Chinese shopping app. So let me show you how. The very first thing we want to do is open up our Taobao. You have to open up your Taobao. Next thing you need to do is to search for product. But in this tutorial, I will show you the simple hack by which you can use to search for free shipping product on Taobao. And what we want to do here is to come to the search result, right? Search engine right here. Click on the search engine. Let's say for instance we are looking for bags. So I'm going to use bags as an example. And this is work for any type of product you are looking for. Then click on search. Then in a few seconds, you are going to see similar result about bags right here. So you can scroll down. The more you scroll down here, the more you see different types of bag right here. Now, how do we filter out and get a store that allow free shipping on their items right here on Taobao? So to filter out a free shipping company, what we want to do is to click on here. And this is going to pump up. Next thing we want to do is to click on here. Then after you click on this, you are going to see the number of stores that allow free shipping for their products down below right here. What you need to do is to simply click on here. So we have them right here. Every store right here allow free shipping. That is, whatever you buy from this particular store, from any of the store right here, you are paying nothing for shipping fee. So let's say for instance, I'm interested in this particular bag right here. So click on the bag. So you can see the price of the bag here is 58 yuan. And let's simply scroll down and check on the detail. So you can see over 2,000 plus have purchased this bag in the past. So what we want to do now is to take the advantage of free shipping and go ahead and place order for this quality bag right here. Okay. So what we want to do is to simply click on here to proceed. Then you can see from the checkout right here, we still have it as the price as 58 yen. So you can see from the access page right here that there is no shipping fee included right here. So whatever color you choose, you are paying the same amount right here. So if I switch to another color right here, I'm paying the same 58 yen. If I switch to black, I'm paying the same 58 yen. If I switch to white, I'm paying the same 58 yen. Let's take a look at another store right here. Go back. So I'm going to take a look at this particular store right here. This is 7.98 yen. So I will click on the product link and it's open up like so. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to proceed. So from the checkout right here, you can see we still maintain the same price, no hidden charges, just like what you see right here. So I'm going to click on close and go back. So whatever store you choose from this particular result right here, you are paying nothing for shipping fee. Let's take a look at this particular store again. This is in 9.9 yen. If I click on here to proceed to checkout and payment, then you see that the price still remains the same, 9.9, no hidden charges. Whatever color you choose right here, you are paying nothing in shipping fee, just like what you see right here. Once you select the color you want and select the quantity you want, what you need to do is simply click on here to make payment. It's that simple. So basically, this is how to find free shipping on Taobao Chinese shopping app. For more tutorial, tips and tricks about how to import from China using Taobao Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao or pinduoduo or idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.